On the oath, or the adulterate feds, not federal. Do you honestly oath, or you are honestly oath to look at me in my eyes, but do you honestly oath as no cover that, or cover that, cover that, or cover that, cover that, cover that. Then what you already said, cut. So I says, I'm getting the money to FBI to bring if he give me forward and draw forward and the FBI and CIA, no cover that, cover that, cover it, Shinabi. They call it, I mean, McCall it, Shinabi, they call it, and Shinabi, Lavovic, they call it, rebat, brother, cut. Shinabi, they call it. Give my money. And Jill Biden, Joe Biden before, they cut a 22.5 mil piece out his neck and leave 11.5 for the B. Obama only flies me with 11.5B to be the president and be full. Cause I don't be Hurricane Christopher Rapper, no, I still be Hurricane be a rapper. I don't be painted white in the face without no Solange, boy. It's taking 5 minutes to get my money. You have my money at $25 billion to offer it up to my face. So do you have $25.5 billion to give me? Cause I would ask him. Can't do something. If I would have seen this, they're going to do something.
Guess what? She gonna tell us exactly what.
And they can't see me on my face because it's called 22.5 for you. I mean, it's called. Back it up one more time. So, of course, I have my money. He been in prison all along, nigga. My ass is a guy he dated my parts before. They're not dating my parts before, but let me see. Sue me.
What?
Sir, this is what we're showing as America and our FBI government. Can you give me $25 billion?
What?
Can you give me $25 billion cash so that we get the bank? It's Canada Bank. You can't say you don't speak English because you know what FBI suits.
No, so.
Can you give me all the money you have?
No speaking English. No.
So say David Lamar Parks, you speak English. Say FBI know you David Lamar Parks is better one with him. David Lamar and son on Parks is you. I like the name you do on it. You lie about better one with him. So I don't hear nothing saying you want to prison or you want to shank somebody who can decide it.
I'm sitting here talking to y'all. Don't take it back. No, you're being disobedient.
Well, he already said he got bonded for a week.
Don't take it back.
Before that, score. That's only he does saying. Because nothing else can't be the case about the smoke like that. And the scarlet.
So what did you have?
So regardless, I'm not being confident or not with this man. This man already been police officer and tell you the truth. He's a great officer. Because you know, if I keep saying that, and I'm found my company. Yeah, they're flying now. So they're flying the rest of my money. And they bring my money back as American case out of escort orders. Cause on that one America, you bitch for that game. They got that game. I didn't try not to go against the grain. And once the woman with don't say, cut. Brother man. Take care of America, take care of White House, take care of everybody Washington, D.C. worldwide. This is the first president. Oh, discovered deceased. Never in life, first lady. As undeceased Hurricane Cree. To be the president, because he always said he ain't 22 for the B. Why he been there from my left eye for the salon. Thank you. Nice.